Welcome to 11134 East Sombra Avenue in Mesa's Mountain Horizons community. Inside, you'll find tile and luxury vinyl plank flooring, accent paint, and surround sound pre-wire. The kitchen is a standout with raised panel cabinets, crown molding, stainless steel appliances, including a gas range, a custom backsplash, and a breakfast bar with plenty of prep space. The spacious owner's suite provides a quiet retreat. This 4-bedroom, 2-bath split floor plan offers stylish updates and a comfortable layout designed for everyday living. The laundry room includes a utility sink and gas dryer hookup for added convenience. Step outside to a backyard made for entertaining, featuring a covered patio with a fan, an extended pergola, gas stub for a barbecue, an outdoor shower, and low-maintenance landscaping. With garage cabinets, soft water, and RO systems, and a prime East Mesa location, this home is ready for you.